Hi guys, my name is Handan and I am a Theta Healing practitioner and instructor. I'm going to tell you a little bit about Theta Healing. So Theta Healing is this amazing modality that will help you transform your belief systems that keep you stuck in situations where you are actually looking to break through. Imagine in terms of wealth, in terms of health, in terms of love, in terms of relationships. So your belief systems create your reality. And your energy, your thoughts, your attitude, your behavior creates your reality. So everyone that you're attracting into your life, the situations that you attract into your life, is also based on the frequency that you send out. So in order to change your reality, we actually have to change what's going on inside. And the way we do that with Theta Healing is we find the belief systems that block you, that keep you limited, and we change them, we reprogram that to positive belief systems so that obstruction is really removed from your path and you can actually go into your goals and into the destination that you are seeking with ease and grace. So I would like to invite you to my upcoming Theta Healing Basic course, which is held on the 23rd, from the 23rd until the 25th of November. And you will learn how to lower your brainwave cycle to a theta brainwave, which is really a dream state. And from that dream state, you will be able to connect to this divine source energy. It's a pure energy of unconditional love, and it is through this energy that we facilitate instant healings on a physical, mental, or emotional level. You will also learn how to shift, transform negative belief systems and change them into positive ones so that you can remove the blocks that keep you from reaching your goals in terms of health, in terms of wealth, in terms of living your life purpose, in terms of love, in terms of relationships, and many more fun things. And one of the other things that we will actually cover is how to balance your hormones, how to take charge of your feelings, and how to shift your feeling instantly. But you will also learn really cool intuitive and psychic abilities, such as learning how to read energy. So it's fun. So I hope to see you there.